Okay, since the MAT system itself is for institutional buyers and is about the price of a small car, and the workshops are highly limited, so if you haven't signed up, I'd suggest you get online and sign up. But we have a way for you to learn and experience the patterns with just our deck of cards. So I'm going to configure it in what we call the PrimeStack configuration. So I'm going to leave one out of this particular configuration. And I'm going to start with 2, 3, which are both prime numbers. Just one object. 4 is 2 times 2, so you can begin to see the pattern emerge. 5 is a prime number. 6 is 2 times 3. And 7 is a prime number. But this is where the pattern and the mat really begin to reveal itself, because we come back here and we're really making the prime stack 6 columns. And just as I'm putting it together, especially when we get right around here, you can begin to see a pattern of the prime numbers emerging. But there's also patterns in these other columns as well. These are the odd multiples of 3. 16 is 2 to the 4th, or 4 blues. And there's another prime number, 17, 18, and 19. These patterns are designed to make multiplication, division, and exponents a color, shape, number of objects pattern uniquely to help minds like mine and my daughter's have different access points. Me, or children like me, because aphantasia, essentially, if the pattern's not available when your eyes are open, you have to form it a completely different way. Or in my daughter's case, the ability to learn multiplication, division, and exponents, as well as fractions in base 10, hid these very obvious patterns that her artistic mind would have picked up very quickly. And she's almost the opposite of me in that she would be able to hold these patterns within her mind and imagine with them.